Good day everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to be going out and doing some driving in the car. It's still a little chilly out, as you might be able to see. Actually, I'm probably overreacting a little bit. It's like 47 degrees outside and I am dressed like it's 32. But it might get to 32 before the night is over, so you never know. So what the plan is tonight is we are going to take out the Corvette and we're going to go to one of the first car shows of the year here. And the first car show that I have actually ever been to here in Omaha, besides like the World of Wheels or like a big car show or something like that. The car show that I'm going to tonight is just like a little local one that's on Facebook that you can find. And I went around and joined some groups and found a bunch of places that we can go to go see some cars and maybe meet some people and stuff like that. Trying to make some contact here in my home area and see if we can find something fun to do. So I don't really know what to expect. I don't know if anyone is actually going to be there. It says that there's going to be 178 people going, and there's like, I want to say like 500 people interested or something like that, I think. So I would think that out of 680 people, there'd be a few people there. But I guess there's only one way to find out. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do any full pulls on the Corvette yet. Still haven't got to the throttle body yet. I'm busy at my shop doing work and I just haven't had time to work on that yet, but it's on my list of things to do, so eventually I will get that far. But still runs and drives, that's the main thing. So I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Go ahead, pull out the Buick, and we're gonna go see what we can find. So stay tuned. All right, everyone, so we drove to the spot and there's cops everywhere. We're not sure why. So, and another thing is, so I'm a dealer and I forgot to put my dealer plate on before I left. So I don't have a stupid license plate. So I'm gonna drive back up there and show you guys the cops and stuff, and we'll just go from there.
Turn the lights off. Oh, there's a cop. Is that a cop helicopter?
Yeah.
I wonder if they're breaking it up. You better go that way. I'm nervous.
There is.
Look at, there's a spotlight shining down.
They're looking for somebody. Yeah, we don't know what's going on here. Couple cops up and the police helicopter is out and he's shining lights down on the area. I guess this spot is busted for tonight. They must have been in this gas station right here. Supposedly they're down this road. There's still people revving their cars all over.
Oh yeah, look at it. Some of them are over there.
Oh yeah, there's some over here.
I don't know why they'd regroup somewhere else. Seems silly to me.
I wish I would have put a license plate on. I think I have all the documents in my email on my phone now.
Another cop. You better hope he doesn't look at you.
some
Oh, there are people hanging out over there. There's a Tesla.
people. 2 Teslas.
Why are there Teslas here?
Young kids
Yeah, we don't fit into this.
driving Teslas. Dodge is all lit up.
That is for sure part of the whole shenanigans. Oh yeah. Beamer.
Don't run me over.
I came with a... Oh, here's some more of them. I don't want to film people. Oh look, the Dodge is following us. It's about to eat us.
He's gonna eat us.
Eat us for dinner. Please leave us alone. I don't know. Does he look like he's just in the middle of the... Does he pull over anybody?
It's a pickup. Whole bunch of pickups.
Water pickup? What's the point? We got them all out of their car. What are we gonna become? Just cop chasers or what?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Oh, the cops are down there.
I know. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Right down this hill is where the meet was. Cops are still down there.
You gotta get closer than that. Oh, they just must be making sure that no one goes back over there.
Trying to get movements.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, everyone, so last night was obviously a big bust.
Epic fail.
Epic fail, they said over here. But, so I got on the police scanner. There's a police scanner thing on the internet that you can go to, and right as the event was starting, there was a bunch of street racers down in the area, and the cops were called, and that's why the cops were there, and they broke it all up. So that is why there was really no meet last night, and there was cops everywhere.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
And it's a male.